Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Lively is installed and running, and you have the media you want. Open Lively, then click Import immediately to begin. This avoids extra navigation later. Pick a single file or a prepared HTML5 folder. Use MP4, WebM, GIF, or animated PNGs for best results. Once done, give the new wallpaper a clear name and preview it. This first step saves time by verifying format compatibility now, rather than troubleshooting after full setup. Now you import and configure. Drag the file into Lively or use the import dialog. Name it and add tags so you can find it later. Configure playback settings, toggle loop, mute audio, and choose performance mode to balance visuals with CPU/GPU usage. Set frame rate limits if you need lower power consumption. Then assign the wallpaper to one or multiple monitors and choose scaling, stretch, fit, or maintain aspect ratio. These choices determine how the wallpaper looks and how it impacts system resources. Finish by applying the wallpaper and testing it across your setup. Watch Task Manager for CPU, GPU, and memory spikes. If the wallpaper stutters or won't play, convert it to a more efficient format like WebM or reduce resolution, then clear Lively's cache and re-import. Make sure to run Lively as administrator if permissions block features, and update your GPU drivers. If problems persist, disable overlays and screen recorders. These often conflict with live wallpapers and cause playback failures.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.